Hey guys, what's up? It's Jackie from Jackie AI Flow. Let me ask you something real quick. What if you could create one character and drop them into a beach, a snowy mountain, a cyberpunk street, even turn them into a video, and their face stays perfectly consistent every single time? Sounds unreal, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Google's new AI tool called Whisk. And trust me, once you learn this, your content game will change forever. And hey, if you love AI tools that save you hours, help you automate content, or even grow your income, hit that subscribe button right now. And definitely stick around till the end, because there's a hidden feature almost nobody talks about. All right, let's jump in. So first, go to Labs, Google.fx, click Launch Whisk, then enter Tool. On the top left, you'll see 3 tabs: Subject, Scene, Style. Think of them as the structure of your image. Your character, the background, the visual vibe. Under Subject, I choose the text option and type Portrait of a young woman with straight black hair, soft bangs, and a navy windbreaker with subtle reflective stripes, warm brown eyes, friendly, and confident expression. Those reflective stripes are intentional. I'll show you why later. Then I hit Generate. When the image appears, I click Edit. Here, I type, change the windbreaker to a light beige hoodie and add a small silver earring on her left ear. Whisk generates a few options. I pick the cleanest one. This is perfect when you want your character consistent, but with different outfits. Next, I go to Scene and type, a peaceful riverside park at sunset with warm golden light and joggers in the background. No extra action prompts yet. I just hit Generate. Whisk automatically merges the character with the scene. Since the original character was only upper body, the result also comes out cropped. To fix that, I type full body, standing on the pathway, hands in pockets. It improves, but still not perfect. So I go back to the character edit and type full body shot of the same girl wearing a cream bomber jacket, black jeans, and white sneakers under soft afternoon lighting. I choose the best result, return to Scene, Generate again. Now everything fits naturally. On Style, I type soft watercolor illustration with pastel tones and gentle gradients. While that's loading, I go back to Subject and add a small backpack and change her eye color to light hazelnut. Now I click Generate again and the watercolor effect looks amazing. If you want a normal photo version, just uncheck the style box. At this point, you've mastered how to build a consistent character and reuse them anywhere. But we're just getting started. At this point, you've mastered how to build a consistent character and reuse them anywhere. But we're just getting started. Hit Add next to Subject 1. This time I type casual young man with short, sandy blonde hair, wearing a forest green flannel over a white tee. Friendly smile with dimples. Click Generate, and boom, perfect. Now in Scene, I type a trendy co-working space with wooden tables, hanging plants, and warm ceiling lights. Let's run 2 experiments. Test 1. No action prompt. Hit Generate. Let Whisk decide. Test 2. Director mode. Add. They are sitting across from each other, laughing while holding coffee cups. Much better control. Now we step into the real power feature, reference photos. I drag in character photo hash on, then character photo hash 2. For the second photo, I hit Edit and type remove the jacket. Choose one. Then another edit. Dress him in a navy casual blazer. Clean update in seconds. For Scene, I upload a photo of a modern rooftop lounge at night. Then type, they are posing for a picture together, smiling at the camera. The result is super consistent, exactly what we want. I drag in a comic book bold line art style reference. Click Generate, and the image comes out with strong outlines and vibrant colors. Looks awesome. Now this is the fun part. I select the final image, click Animate type. They are waving and cheering excitedly. Give it a moment. And now, you've got a short animation based on your image. How cool is that? If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which AI tool I should try next. Your support really means a lot. This is Jackie from Jackie AI Flow. See you in the next video.